Hello, sweet learners. You're most welcome in the channel KV Exam Idea. Today we start new topic on class 9th history, and topic is Nazism and the rise of Hitler. I hope this video will be useful for you. Learners, in this video we will discuss the following points. First is reasons for Germany's defeat in World War I, understanding Nazism, signing the Treaty of Versailles, birth of Weimar Republic, problem faced by Weimar Republic, and subsequent economic crisis in 1923. Nazism and the rise of Hitler. There were two important factors to rise the Hitler in the Germany's history or world history. First, Germany's situation at that time, and second is Nazism. Learner, as you know, Hitler's birth is an important event in the world history. Nazism and Hitler complement each other, and some other important events such as failure of Weimar Republic and Great Depressions were the important events which helped to rise the Hitler. Reasons for Germany's defeat in World War I. Germany, the power along the Austria, fought against allies during World War I. And what do you mean by allies? Allies means the group of countries which fought against Germany in the World War, and these countries were England, France, and Russia. And the group which made by Germany is called Central Powers. Germany made initial gain by occupying France and Belgium. Naval blockade established by England Navy. Shortage of food supply, people died due to hunger. Allies joined the United States in 1917, and this was turned the war game point. Now war going in the favor of allies countries. Germany's military became weak in front of allies and shortage of resources. Allies joined against Germany. War ended with armistice on 11th November 1918. Students, please learn this date because many times this date asked in the exam. Understanding Nazism. So first we understand what is Nazism. Nazism was a system of idea, word and politics. And according to these ideas, Nazis thought that German people were best among the world, waging off a systematic genocidal war in 1941, resulting in mass murder of selected groups of innocent European civilians, such as the number of people killed included 6 million Jews, and they were mostly affected by Nazism. 2 lakh gypsies and 1 million Polish civilians, 70,000 German peoples who were considered mentally and physically disabled, beside innumerable political opponents. German polity. After World War I, there was a turmoil in Germany, and the region where majority population felt betrayal by their leaders was the reason for defeat, not battle defeat, and abdication of the emperor, which resulted in political void. Signing of the treaty. The Germany signed the Versailles Treaty on 20th June 1919. This date also important students for your examination purpose. So please remember this date. This was humiliation and resulting in economic loss made Germany lose overseas colonies, occupied Rhineland, which was resource-rich area. Germany demilitarized, and now Germany could take only 1 lakh Senics held responsible for all war damages, made to pay compensation amount to 6 billion pound. Germany lost a tenth of its population, 13% of its territories, lost 75% of its iron and 26% of its coal to France, Poland, Denmark, and Lithuania. Germany after the Versailles Treaty. As you can see in the Germany's map, the red blinking letters show that this area were taken from Germany and given to allied countries such as Belgium, France, and Poland, Lithuania, and this area were demilitarized, and this area were given to League of the Nations. With birth of Weimar Republic, all above regions were responsible for a new government in Weimar. For example, Germans voted to elect parliamentary parties. National Assembly met at Weimar, established democratic constitution with federal structure. The new parliament was called Reichstag. So students remember new parliament's name. Many times this question asked in the board exam. The base of election was equal and universal votes by the adults including women, but this was not welcomed by people. Devastating impact on entire content from creditors. Europe turned into one of debtor. Problems faced by Republic. Weimar Republic paid for fault of all imperial empires. Germany turned into nation of paupers and debtors. Weimar Republic not received well by its own people, forced to accept defeatist terms after war loss. Socialist, Catholics, and Democrats called November criminals. Students, this sentence is very important for your exam purpose, so please remember this. Many times this question asked in the board examinations. Who were November criminals? November criminals were socialists, Catholics, and Democrats. The, there came changes in society also, like soldiers were placed above civilians but lived miserable life. Democracy was a fragile idea. There people lost confidence in the government. Spartacist League uprising. Spartacist League basically belonged to the Bolshevik revolutionaries which belonged to Russia. The birth of Weimar Republic coincided with Bolshevik revolution in Russia. Soviet of workers and sailors were established in many cities. So what is the meaning of the Soviet means a union of USSR, and this union believed the Bolshevik ideas. The political atmosphere in Berlin was charged with demands for Soviet-style governance. Those opposed to this, such as Socialist Democrats and Catholics, met in Weimar to give shape to the Democratic Republic. These Catholics, Democrats, and other socialists which believe in the democracy were opposed the Soviet Spartacist League. The Weimar Republic crushed the uprising with the help of war veterans organization called Free Crops. So remember students, Free Crops who helped the Weimar Republic. The anguished Spartist led founded the Communist Party of Germany. Many times this question also asked in the exam, who established Communist Party in Germany? The answer is Spartist. Communist and socialist henceforth become irreconcilable enemies and could not make common cause against Hitler. And this was the important event which helps the Hitler to rise in the German history. Both revolutionaries and militant nationalists craved for radical solutions. Subsequent economic crisis 1923. Germany had fought the war largely on loans, had to pay war reparations in gold. This depleted gold reserves at time resources were scarce. Germany refused to pay and French occupied its leading industrial area Ruhr. Ruhr area was famous for coal minerals. Germany retaliated with passive resistance and printed paper currency recklessly. With too much printed money in circulation, the value of German mark fell. German mark was the currency of German. The crisis came to be known as hyperinflation. Goods prices soared. Dow Plan. Americans intervened and bailed Germany out of the crisis by introducing the Dawes Plan. Many times, children, this plan also asked in the examination. So remember this plan's important facts. Revoked the terms of reparations, brought financial investment and loans, provide short-term benefits to the Germany economy, made Germany dependent on foreign economies, mainly USA. Dawes Plan. Dawes Plan working as a triangular shape. On the one corner is US, another corner is Germany, and another corner is Allies. And US paid Germany 2.5 billion loans and Germany paid $2 billion reparations payment to allies, and these allies paid US as $2.6 billion in war debt payment, which they took from USA during the World War, the years of depressions. Why depressions and what were the reasons of depressions we discussed here. German recovery was dependent on short-term loans from USA as all of a sudden new problem emerged when Wall Street Exchange crashed in 1929. On 20th October 1929, due to fall in prices, people sold their shares, which was the start of Great Economic Depression. So, students, remember this date, 24th October 1929. On this date were remembered for the economic depressions. Between 1929 to 1932, national income of US fell by half and worldwide were the effect of the depression. Impacts of the depression on Germany. The main impact were Germany got the worst hit. US withdrew its finance support to Germany. Industrial production shrink 40%, wages reduced. This crisis made people jobless and created fear, deep anxieties in the people. Also, the society was filled with the fear of proletarianization. Politically fragile Germany. Weimar Republic, fragile and vulnerable to dictatorship. One was proportional representation, absence of single majority party in German parliament. Another defeat was Article 48. This article was very important, which gave the president the powers to impose emergency, suspend civil rights, and rule by decree. Weimar Republic saw 20 different cabinets in lasting 239 days average. People lost confidence in democratic parliamentary system. Thank you for watching video. In the next video, we will discuss about the rising of the Hitler.